Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I wanna standing. I will tell you, explain about my portfolio that I already made. So the first is there is list of content. There is introduction, CV, game project, web project, IoT project, and other. There is a multipath and multimedia, Android, English, and linear project. So the first is this my CV that I have. There is my skill, there is experience, education, and other. Okay, so I will explain about the first project that is I made in IDM. The first is Magic Fruit. Okay, so this game, the gameplay is like you have the ball and you must catch the fruit until the game end. This my first experience that I made game in Scratch. The second is Defender. So this actually this fifth project of the Scratch, but this is the most hard that project make from scratch because so many coding that usually to make, because there is some enemy from tank and you must after the get some what that have animation like explosion and other, and there is have three level, that the level 1 and level 2, that the different hardest that level. So the third is block breaker. This simple game like you have a rock in the corner and you can switch with the keyboard for bumping the ball for make the rock from up corner to break. So the fourth is Dino game. I make this game in Buildbox, and this is the first project that I make in Buildbox. Yeah, like Dino Google only can Dutch slow and other. And the last is Running Ball. There is my second project in Buildbox, that the gameplay is to have ball and there is some obstacle like city and other, and there is a diamond for the point. Okay, so the second is a website project. The first I made this project in Google site. So the first project is school, website of school, my school, elementary school that I made. There is information about that school, information the curriculum and other. I hope in the future I can make complete, more complete than this project. And the second is website of my school. The name is Anwar. There is same I make this with a Google site that I have contain there is information, the location, and like have some many some programs that my school have. Okay, the last is Prime Shop. Actually, this project is for my Magicom in 7th grade. That makes like the shop like Shopee, but this version of plan. that actually for brand like so many brand in this website like that, and there is some little information, there is price and other. So now we'll explain about IoT project. First is trash bin that I make the folder with microbit. If the trash bin is like trash bin and have the sensor and the motor, that if sensor get some want to throw the trash, that motor get move to open the cup of the trash. And the second is line follower, Ichibot Ultimate 5. That's like project like line follower. The robot will follow the line and until the finish. This maybe this project is little bit hard because I not the monologue of the Ichibot. So the third is smart home. I make this smart home system with Walkway. It's a remote access platform. That's a general graphic user intelligence. And I make this from NSP 2 using smartphone or tablet, and this using the Wi-Fi for use the smartphone. And the fourth is temperature microbit. That the same like a trash bin, but it's a temperature like the temperature for maybe room like that. It's hot or not and other. And this platform is same microbit. And the last is Ichiduino. Ichiduino is like Ichibot, but the program with Ichibot like that. And the Ichiduino is on an Android based microcontroller platform like that. And the robot is same. He will follow the line and follow the instruction that we give in the code. So this multimedia project. First is UI UX design. This I make from the concept, design and until prototype. This I make all from the Figma. This the first project that I have made in Figma. The name is UI UX design. There is some like Muslim Pro, but more simple. Like there is jadwal sholat, schedule of sholat, doa-doa and other. And the second is UI3 design that I make in Blender with Figma. So I will make the asset first in Blender. After that I design the website from Figma. And the third is coloring with Figma. This project is made like envelope for Idul Fitri that I design. Coloring like that in Figma. And there is a poster design that I make some poster for promotion. The order is second project that I make in Figma. Yeah, this I only make until 2 days because it's easy, and the last is illustration. I use a pen tool in Figma for illustration some picture from Pinterest. And Android project. So the first is Talk to Me. This is a simple application like you enter the text and will transform to sound like that. And the second is calculator. This I make with modular. It is have many shape like rectangle, diamond, and other that can calculate for that. And the third is dashboard with Aqua that I make with Visual Studio Code Flutter. That's this hardest project in that semester, dashboard with Aqua. And after that there is Radio Islami from Cordular that have we make the UI and enter the sound for like a radio. And the last is Dualis. This component from Bitaqwa. So the Bitaqwa is so many application like Dualis, solar schedule, and other. Bitaqwa is that project I make for more complete than UX. And for in this project there is storytelling about Rasulullah companion. I tell about some story about Rasulullah that's from hijrah from Mekah to Madinah with Abu Bakar As-Siddiq and other. And the second is practical exam. That's I choose the year of Indonesia. The name is Soekarno. I tell some story about this government. And the second is final project. The name is like podcast, like telling about the country that want to tell in with a presentation. And there is a tutorial. I make tutorial jitter for like sticker WA give like that in a jitter. And the last is about podcast startup. So I took the startup and the name is project with my friend. Explain the location of the problem and the measure of the shot we taken from this startup journey. Okay, the last is linear project. Yeah, same like in this there is storytelling, but in linear I storytelling about Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, the first Khalifah Rashidin that control the Islam after Rasulullah SAW. And there is mapping. The top of one is 8 for zakat. This mapping for make easy to understanding with the material of zakat. And there is motion graphic that I make with jitter about people orang paling kaya. That I choose in the YouTube from for the audio. And the is the same like Rasulullah biography. I tell from his born until his wafat. And the last is poster. So in India is have so many poster that made for like a thumbnail or website and other. And the achievement is the first is the certificate of HTML for from Solarem, and the second is CSS. I continue the material is CSS in Solarem. And the second is I joined the World Robot Contest in 2024 and get a certificate because already participant Then I get confident one place in botany robot competition. The category is time follower in February 1 year ago, and the last is certificate of visa AI that I choose for learn is theory of logo, and the last of experience. Okay, the first is there is I joined the Baronas in 2025 in Surabaya. The ITS same. The category I choose is fan follower, and the second is Edurice in 2024 when I migrate from Jonggol to Old City in Jakarta. In teaching, I teaching for third years in the end is only 3 because I now have many time to teaching. And Mission Impossible, like we sell like Aqua, but the price is up like from 2,000 to 10,000. And same for experience I in botany, like I already said. And LDKS is basic student leadership training at IDN from enter the IDN in 2nd grade. And there is a seminar public speaking. That public speaking seminar at IDN is an interactive training program for skill up for speaking. And last is fan cooking. That's do in Sunday and Monday. And, okay, maybe that's all from me about my portfolio. Sorry if I have any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.